Hello, welcome to LeadMaster. In this video, you will learn how to use the Calls and Tasks feature on the home page. If we click on the drop-down, we can see a couple of different options. We can see the events that are scheduled for today, the next 7 days, the next 30 days, and the past 30 days. You may also click the Search Tasks button to access further options. A pop-up window allows you to list your callbacks and tasks in various ways, or filter your calls and tasks by call task date range, and type. Let's go to events scheduled for this week. Here you will see your calls and tasks, which you might think of as a to-do list. Let's go over some of the fields available on this page. Mouse over the company to obtain a preview of company information, or click into the company to pull up the contact record. From here, you can update your sales activity or profile summary, or click on Sales Update, then Edit Profile to alter information. Click the pointing finger to return to the Calls and Tasks report. You may also mouse over the task or event name to obtain details on the pop-up screen. Click on the task name to obtain a more detailed look at the task or event as well. You can see the type of event or task on page, the task or event name, the phone number, the attendee, and you may also see who is attached to this event or task. Here you have the option to print the event, create a reminder for the event, email it, or go to the calendar to reschedule this event. If you'd like, you can also reschedule the event by clicking on the calendar icon under the Date field. I will now change the date on this caller task. Click on Calls and Tasks, and you will see an event has been shifted to the next 30 days, and only 2 remain scheduled for this week. Now you know that you obtain information on the company, the task or event itself, and you can also see type, start time, contact, and if you mouse over the contact name, you will see more information. And like company and task name, click into the contact name, and you will see granular information on the contact. You can update this information, see marketing history, email history, and more. Let's return to the Calls and Tasks page. Another field available on this page is Take Action, an important option. Mouse over the Take Action orange bullseye, and you will see many useful options. You can elect to view tasks or calls, view with a custom view if available to you, add quick actions for sales activity, send an email, add to a lead nurturing track, view campaign information, or check out web links for the contact if you have created them. Finally, you can create an Outlook meeting. If you're synced with Outlook, you can create a meeting right here. You may see what the contact status is and where the record is in the sales stage. Finally, you will see the status. If the status is closed, the event or task has been completed. Now I will show you a few different ways to indicate that the event or task has been completed. Perhaps the simplest way is to click the task or event checkbox, then click Mark as complete. Let's do that now. Returning to Calls and Tasks for the week, you will see that this completed task is now closed. You may also close an event by clicking on Company, scrolling down to Open Events, and clicking the checkbox that says Done. You may also click the magnifying glass to view the event and check off the Done box here. Note that when you check off Done, there is now an option to add another event. Check this, click Submit, and a new task or event form is populated. Let's create a new event with this record. Returning to the Calls and Tasks page, you can see that the event we marked closed is listed here. To enable this feature, head to My Account, User Information, Calendar and Callbacks, and check off the box that says Completed Call or Tasks Remain on Calendar. Let's return to Calls and Tasks to explore more options. You may filter the page view to see only open events, closed events, or see only particular types. You may also sort report by company, task or event name, start time, type or last updated, in ascending or descending order. This concludes the tutorial on how to use the Callbacks and Tasks feature from the home page. Thanks for watching.